What's going on over here? Oh, why? You know what? Are you, what is it you're using to get your hair wet with? What are you using to get your hair wet, Torian? Washcloth? Was that the potato pool?
Yeah.
Oh. Are the potatoes all clean now?
No, not that.
Not yet? How long do you think you've been working on those potatoes?
Like 5 minutes.
Really? I was thinking more like an hour. I think you've been working on these potatoes for maybe over an hour. I think you started at 5 and it's 6:30 now. You've done a really good job washing them. Hi. What are you wondering about? Do you want to wash the potatoes too? Do you? Okay, so do you think your head's clean now?
No. 5 minutes.
In 5 minutes it'll be clean? Okay. Think maybe we should just take a bath instead?
No.
In the tub? No? Well, I'm glad you're clean.
Bye.
Bye. What? Do you say why or bye?
Bye.
Bye. Oh. Do I have to say bye?
Bye.
Good boy. You say good girl. You say good girl.
Bye. Bye.
Good boy. Good job. Yay. Troy, why do you think he says good girl and not good boy? I don't know either. Good girl. Whoop. The little boy fell over. Uh-oh. Kiss. Oh, good boy.